Alright, I'm going to reroll one of my mammoths in Caerleon. This one was made by my old guild leader, Rezi. She doesn't play anymore. But it's 27k. She made it at good. I didn't reroll this at all. So it's 27k per reroll. 32. And 135. I don't think I'm gonna get a masterpiece. I'll give it 5 tries because that's all I'm willing to put in. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Wow. Um okay, well then. I guess I got good luck. I don't know what to say. That's not even the one that I made with my name on it. No. Oh well, I got a masterpiece mammoth. Wow, I'm actually amazed. I was gonna give it 5 shots and then be like, all right, that's it, I'm done. But not even 4. GG.